Welcome back to NedDev. We are on the final box of the Tier 1 starting point, and that is Tactics. This is the only box in here which is it's a Windows machine, I think. So, what do we have? Windows SMB weak password. So we're going to be using some kind of samba or samba client. Let's spawn the machine up. This usually takes a while, so I'll fast forward. Got an IP address. Let's copy that in and do some pinging and enumeration. So ping, let's ping this in. Service not known. Alright, we are good. And sudo nmap-ss-sv. We are good to go. Let's open up a browser and see if there's anything open on port 80. Let's paste and turn. Oh, I've got that turned off. Cool. It doesn't look like it. Oops. Right. So yeah, we got a Windows net shared server. Cool. Let's copy that out. Bit of information. Let's head to the questions. So, which Nmap switch can we use to enumerate machines when our packets are otherwise blocked by the Windows firewall? Could you use aggressive or to enumerate machines when our packets are otherwise blocked? Oh no, I think it's -sp. Is that right? Something like that, anyway. PN. What does the three-letter acronym SMB stand for? What port does SMB operate at? Let's find out. I think it's 139 actually. So 139. What command line argument do you give to sambaclient to list available shares? I think it's -b. We can put this in for now. What character at the end of a share name indicates it's an administrative share? I'm not sure. Alright, so all these questions we'll be able to answer once we're inside, so let's just try nothing or admin. Okay, so for SMB, so blah blah blah, we can also send SMB client -l IP and then the -u administrator password and just hit enter. Right. Let's copy that into our notes. Well, I'm guessing it's this little dollar sign, which is the answer to this, I imagine. Yeah. Okay, which administrative share is accessible on the box that allows users to view the whole file system? I guess that would be C. Cool. What command can we use to download the files we find on an SMB share? I think that's just get again. Yeah. Which tool that is part of the in-packet collection can be used to get an interactive shell on the system? Let's get rid of this no pass flag. Cool, right, we're in. So that was the command that we needed. I'll use that for later because I didn't need the no pass flag. Fine. Did we really want to get into admin or? Whoa, this is the whole system. So what should we look for? I don't know how to use that one. Let's go back to C, enter ls cd into users, admin, desktop. Cool, flag, so, I don't have cat, so, we can just, let's just get a flag. Connect it, and cat the flag out. Okay, so HTTP, got it, there we are, submit the flag. See you in the next one.